Hey guys, today we're making taco meat in an Instant Pot. Any pressure cooker will work though. I'll put a link in the description for a printable recipe. So let's start with some veggies. I've got a red onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a green bell pepper. Dice up the pepper and the onion and give the garlic a quick mince. And over to the Instant Pot. Set it to saute and add a few tablespoons of olive oil. Let that heat up for a minute and then add in your diced pepper and your onion. Give it a quick stir to coat the veggies, and of course we'll also add a pinch of salt here to help draw out the moisture and also a dash of pepper. Stir that up and let it saute for about 5 minutes or so. Now we'll add in a pound of ground beef. 80-20 or 90-10 both work well for this application, and we'll add another pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. I like to season in layers when sauteing veggies and browning meat. Mince up the beef as best you can as it starts to brown. The veggies will help protect our meat while it's browning, as long as your heat isn't too high and you keep breaking it up as it cooks. I'm using the medium saute setting. Once the meat's minced and browned, add in the garlic for another minute or two. And lastly, we'll add our spices. Here's a quick list, and they will also be in the recipe linked below. I figured you didn't want me rattling all of these off to you. So we'll let this heat up for another minute or two just to warm up the spices. And we can grab our lid and get it secured into place. There's no need to add any liquid to this. The veggies are going to provide more than enough. Set it to pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. Once it comes up to pressure, a countdown will begin, just like the David Bowie song Foretold. When it hits 0, it's going to beep to let you know it's finished and also default to a warming mode. So go ahead and release the pressure and wait for the pressure indicator to drop. Time to check our taco meat. Oof, sorry about that. This looks and smells amazing. You can see the residual water from the veggies. And here's our final product, delicious taco meat. Let's make a taco. First the meat. And next I'm going to add some pico de gallo, but salsa also works fine. Of course, some cheese, a little bit of sour cream, lettuce, and finally some diced tomatoes. Swap that out onto a clean plate for the thumbnail shot, and dig in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.